Whew. Hey guys, my name is Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today we've got our 2018 Nissan Altima jacked up in the air, already on stands, ready for an oil change. We're going to be using Mobil 1 0W20, and we've got this oil filter. Oh, let me get back in the light for you. There you go. Oil filter, which is the part number MGL51358. So go ahead, get you guys these things, and you'll be ready to change your oil in your Nissan as well. Let's get started. Roll that intro. Alright, before we start, I went ahead and took off the cap, and I'm just going to set it on top. Pulled out the dipstick, and I set it right there. Now we're going to get our pan, pull the pan under there, pull the drain plug. Alright, so under the car, this is the passenger side. Right here is our drain plug, and it is a 14mm bolt. And attempt to have our oil pan lined up perfectly, but I got my jack kind of in the way there. Now make sure you do this when it's cool, because it will burn if it is hot. There we go, like butter. Pretty dirty, definitely needed a change. We'll let that drain out and we'll come back down when it's done. Alright, under the passenger wheel, we can see right here's a flap. There looks like there was a pin there once, but that has to be pulled up, and that reveals the oil filter. Very, very sneaky and hidden. So crack that loose and let that oil start draining too, and then we'll put the new filter on. Let me save you guys some trouble. When you do this, don't put the jack stand right there, because that's where the oil pan needs to be when you pull the filter off, so that will drain into your tub. Oh well, live and learn, right? That's what we're doing. That's what we're here for. So I'm going to clean this off and put the drain plug back in, because it's almost to a trickle right there, just about. Alright, so now I've got that new oil filter put in up there. You can see it right there now. So you just want to get that hand tight and then do a quarter turn. And my drain plug I've also got in there hand tight, and we're going to do a quarter turn on it. If I get my wrench going. There we go. Just so it's nice and snug. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to not do it enough. So we got a nice oil mess. So let's go up top. Now it's time to put in our Mobil 1. And this is advanced fuel economy. 0 weight 20. There we go. Get it opened up. And it's supposed to take 4.8 quarts. 4.9, just about 5. So what we're going to do is we'll fill it up about 4.5, and then we'll get it started, let that oil flow, check the level, and fill it until it's full based on the dipstick. So don't pour the whole thing in there, but it's going to be close to the whole thing. Now's a good time. You can have your assistant look under the car for you and see if there's any leaks visible. There shouldn't be.
I'm just kidding.
Uh-oh. There's power steering fluid under there though, and oil.
Yeah, I'll see that.
But you can see how nice and clean this oil looks. It's not going to look like that dirty stuff down on the floor right now. We've got another airplane either landing or taking off. I'm pretty sure it's taking off. That should be about right. So now we'll stick the dipstick down in the dipstick tube. Whoop. Check that oil level. That's right. It's getting really close. So now we'll have Arctic Mama go start the Nissan. It's almost there. It's just about full. So we'll have her start it, because that'll get the oil going through the filter. Close that. Yeah, that's what I like to see. We are good to go. Alrighty, there we go. That is how you change the oil in your Nissan Altima. And now, I'm going to zoom out, and we're going to address this mess. First, by pulling out the drain pan where the oil was supposed to go. It was supposed to go in there, and it didn't. And then we'll get the jacked up, take the jack stands out, and pull the car out, clean this mess up. If this helped you guys out, smash that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, because not just Nissan content here, but we've got Jeep content, and behind that Jeep is a 1997 Corvette, and we have some content for it coming too. So we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great day, and God bless you all. I think I ended it too soon, just like too soon. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. So fresh, so clean.